Alright y'all, so we're back with another video today, and oh, I'm excited y'all. I usually do my POVs with no sound, no talking, but you know what? I want y'all to see my reactions and my face when I drive my own car. Because you know what? These cars are fun. I want to show everyone how fun these cars are and show you the exact, like, just feeling you get when you drive a car like this. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. Follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, guys, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna have fun, but keep going for your dreams and make them reality. We're going right into the video, so let's get to it. Exactly how I feel driving the car. I'm not even sure if y'all can hear this, but oh my gosh, that sound! Like I'm not even pushing it. Look at, listen to this. Oh, that sounds so good, man, so good. Ooh. Yo, I love the way it sounds. You know, I want the unequal length, but honestly, like, it's building. Ooh. Let's go. Hey, one of my best parts about this car is this right here. Oh man, the downshifts sound so good. I'm sorry if it's dark in that camera. That's why I got the GoPro and the POV going right now, so you can see from this camera angle. But oh my gosh, man, I absolutely love this car, man. I've had this car for so long, and this never gets old. This sound, this Subaru sound, listen to that. I'm not even hauling. I'm just cruising. We cruising out here. We cruising. Stop going fast. I'm not sure if y'all can see, but like, it doesn't sound like I'm going fast. Let's get a downshift, baby. Let's go. First of all, this shifter, since I switched this shifter, oh my gosh, this thing is freaking fantastic. I love this shifter, man. I love this shifter. The steering wheel, I'm telling y'all, aftermarket steering wheel and shifter, crisp. The feel, the grip, the heaviness, it's just damn engaging. It feels good. I know some of y'all are wanting to see if you want to get a manual or an auto. I live in LA, I live in Cali, I deal with traffic, but this is the reason why you want a manual. These roads, this is why you want a manual, for sure. chill. Like, I'm just chilling right now. This is a fun car to drive, man. This is an absolute blast. But man, this car, hold up. Let me talk to y'all for a second. Put the windows up. Put the windows up. These cars, I love these cars, man. If you're interested in getting a Subaru, trust me, you're gonna love it. I've had my Subaru for 2.5 years now. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Hey, Corvette. Hey, there we go. Give the Corvettes out here today. But yeah, this Subaru is absolutely fantastic, man. I love this car. The way I built this, the way it drives, the way it feels, just the suspension, the power, the quickness, the firmness, the parts, just everything is starting to come together. Like I said, I have a big, like, y'all just wait, man. I'm almost done with the build. Got a few more big things to put on the car, and then it's finished. But I love this car. I really, really, really love this car. Really, really, really love this car. These cars are space. These cars are a blast to drive. Very easy. Very just easy. Like, you can. The great part about these Subarus is you can build them up. You can drive them. You can do stuff to them and still be very drivable every day. You can be chill with it. It can be very quiet when need to. It's a very fun and nice car. So, really quick, y'all, I just want to give you guys an update. I love this car, man. Like, just check this out. Look at that instant speed, man. Instant speed. That's quick. That's instant quickness. I love this car, man. Let's go. Let's go. Like there's VTEC in this thing. That's funny, man. There ain't no VTEC in this shit. Hit the boost! 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 One time in the streets. One time on it. One time on it. One time on it. One time on it. One time for the thing. Hey, Nardo Gray! Nardo Gray! That thing is clean! Damn, that Nardo looks sick! Damn, he's thick! He's thick! That's a thick ass boy!
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick ass boy! Damn!
You gotta love it! You gotta love your cars, y'all. I'm telling you. Build a car for what you love. Don't worry about everybody else. Don't worry about pleasing everybody else. Build what you love. You want to be smiling and full of joy every time you drive your car, no matter how many times you drive it. That's when you know you built the car for you. So everybody, go ahead, build a car you love, enjoy it, and just smile and enjoy the ability to have the cars, man, and have a passion for it. I hope you all like this video. Like the video if you like the video. Hit the subscribe button, smash the notifications bell, and like I always say, y'all, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a blessed day. Let's get it. Peace. Let's get it. Peace.